Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to be talking about two popular website builders, Wix and Google Sites. We're going to be exploring both of their features, their ease of use, their customization options, as well as pricing for both platforms so you can decide which one might work better for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's kick things off by talking about Wix first. Wix is a widely recognized website builder, which is known for its intuitive drag and drop interface, as well as an extensive collection of professionally designed templates. It also offers a wide range of features and flexibility, which makes it a favorite among beginners as well as professionals alike. Wix boasts a plethora of features, including a powerful editor, SEO optimization tools, e-commerce functionality, and more. Its app market allows you to integrate various third-party apps seamlessly. So whether you need to add a blog, booking system, or contact forms, Wix has got you covered. One of the standout features of Wix is its user-friendly interface. Of course, the drag and drop editor makes it easy, so you can customize your website without any coding knowledge. Wix also provides a visually appealing experience, ensuring that even beginners can create stunning websites effortlessly. Wix really shines when it comes to customization options. With hundreds of designer-made templates and the ability to tweak every element to suit your own style, you can truly make your website stand out from the crowd. Wix also allows you to create a mobile responsive site, ensuring that your content looks great even on mobile devices. Wix offers a bunch of pricing plans, ranging from free to premium subscriptions. Well, while the free plan does come with limitations, the premium plans do unlock additional features, such as removing Wix ads, connecting a custom domain, and accessing advanced analytics. Well, now that we've covered Wix, let's turn our attention to Google Sites, a website builder offered by Google as part of its G Suite. Google Sites provides a straightforward and streamlined website building experience. It integrates seamlessly with other Google products such as Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets. This also makes collaboration and content creation within your website quite a breeze, actually. Google Sites is designed to be beginner-friendly and focuses on simplicity. So if you are already familiar with other Google products, you're definitely going to feel right at home with its intuitive interface. While yes, it is free, it's also worth noting that the customization options are a bit more limited compared to Wix. Yeah, Google Sites may not offer the same level of customization as Wix. It still does provide enough options so that you can create a clean and functional website. This definitely allows you to create more basic websites effortlessly using pre-designed templates. You can also choose from a variety of templates, change the color schemes, as well as arrange the content in a more visually appealing manner and based on your preferences and/or needs. Another great thing about Google Sites is that it is already part of the Google Workspace suite. It is aimed at simplicity as well as collaboration. So here's the best part. Google Sites is completely free to use. Since it's a part of the G Suite, you don't need to worry about additional costs. This makes it quite an attractive choice, especially for those on a tight budget. Both definitely do have a lot of great features. Yes, Wix does offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to the customization options, but it also does have some limitations. For instance, the free version displays Wix ads on your website, which can be quite distracting to some users. Another thing is that once you actually do choose a template, you can't switch to another one without rebuilding your site. Additionally, Wix is not an open source platform, so it means you can't access the underlying code of your website. Meanwhile, as for Google Sites, it is, yes, definitely more basic compared to Wix, and it does not have as much of a selection when it comes to the customization options, such as the templates and such, as well as more advanced features such as e-commerce or custom code implementation, which are not available on Google Sites. So, which one is exactly the better website builder? If you are looking for extensive customization options, a robust set of features, and a visually stunning website, Wix is definitely the way to go. Its drag and drop editor, wide range of templates, and third-party integrations definitely makes it an excellent choice, especially for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and creatives who want full control over their websites. While on the other hand, if you just value simplicity, collaboration, and a more budget-friendly option, then Google Sites is definitely worth considering. Don't get me wrong, it's a great choice for educators, teams, or individuals who just need a more basic website without the need for all the advanced customization options that sometimes is not that necessary when you're just using your website for more function rather than form. Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs as well as your requirements. If you're looking for a more design-friendly and flexible, as well as a wide range of templates, and access to advanced features, then Wix might be the better choice. However, if you do need something a little bit more simple, as well as great for collaboration, as well as the seamless integration with Google services, then Google Suites could be the right fit for you. Overall, both Wix and Google Sites do have their strengths and weaknesses. Wix provides more creative freedom and customization options, while Google Sites offers more simplicity and integration with Google's suite of tools. So make sure to consider your goals, the level of customization you need, as well as the features that are more essential to your website when you are making your decision. And that's pretty much it for this video. We hope this comparison has shed some light on the two platforms that we've talked about today, and hope that it's helped you to make a more informed decision. And of course, as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ding the notification bell, as well as leave a comment down below, and let us know if we missed anything on either website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. See ya!